Hi, this is my new GT2 watch, Model 3 FA. So this watch I bought from month of August, I think. So this is my new watch. So today I will review about this new watch. So it is one of the best watch I am using. See, there are several watch faces available. So first major advantage of this watch is you can change the watch strap. So this is the beautiful rose gold strap which I got for with this watch. If you want to change this watch strap, means you can change according to your dress color or several colors. You can able to change the strap of the watch. So here how to change means, here, see, here you can able to see this pin is given. So by using this pin, you can able to change the, you can able to remove the this pin, and you can able to change this strap. So there are several colors available for this watch. So now we will see what and all settings installed in this watch. So suppose if you want to move towards left side, means if you move towards left side means able to see the exercises. See how much distance today you are walking, and how much what and all exercise you are doing, everything it will be displayed in this section. And next one is this is music option. So by using this music option, you can able to install the music in phone which you are using. You can install the music in your phone, and you can able to connect the phone with phone and watch with Bluetooth, and you can able to listen the music very well. And this is a weather option. So by connecting the location service and Bluetooth, and by connecting the watch with the phone, you have to enable this Bluetooth and location service into the phone, and automatically it will show the local weather. So it will update the weather report. And this is a stress management, how much level of your stress it will monitor, and it will tell you. And this is your heartbeat level, maximum and minimum. It will plot the graph, and it will show you the heartbeat level. And so these and all options available if you swipe left side of the watch. So now I will swipe right side. Similar options in reverse order it will come. So these are the settings. So suppose if you want to swipe up means, so these and all settings it will show. See, this is the show time option, and this is do not disturb option. And these are all settings. So if you click these settings, you can see the earbuds option. So these earbuds are nothing but if you press this earbuds, you can able to connect earbuds with Bluetooth, so that you can able to hear the music, or you can attend the call. Everything it can perform. And next is display option. So display means watch faces. Watch faces, there are several watch faces, free watch faces they have given. So these and all watch faces I installed. So if you, which face you want, you can choose that face, and you can click like this, and you can set the watch faces. And this is strength is nothing but soft, none, and strong. So strong means while receiving the calls or messages, means it will vibrate strongly. Soft means while receiving the messages and calls, it will vibrate softly. And this is the none means it won't vibrate, just it will show in display. So I have chosen none. And do not disturb option available. And down button is nothing but this button. So this button, by pressing this button, what and all options you want, you can choose this, and you can set into this down button. And this is workout settings. So by clicking this Auto detect workout means suppose if you start walking or start running means automatically it will detect your workout settings. And this is the system. So it will restart or power off, disconnect, reset options available. So if you want to power off, so if you want to power off this watch, you can by pressing this, choosing this power off option, you can switch off this watch. Again, if you want to switch on means by keeping the charger, automatically it will switch on. By connecting the charger, it will switch on. And this is about option. About is, it will give the information about the model, device name and version, everything. So this is the Huawei Watch GT2 3FA device name it is showing. So like this you can able to see into the upper options. So suppose if you want to swipe below means down means you can able to see the messages. If you are receiving SMS means you can see the message here. And so like this you can able to set the features. So this is the watch face. If you want to change this watch face means just slightly press this, so that automatically it will choose. So if you want, suppose if you want to change this face means, see, by pressing this automatically it will change the face. So suppose, see, again I am doing, I want this face means just I am pressing this, and you can able to choose the watch face. So main advantage of this watch is I am getting around 1 week of battery life. Weekly once only I am charging. So I bought this before 2 months. From past 2 months I am charging this as weekly once. And another advantage is this band you can able to change, this strap you can able to change this color of strap according to your dress color. So these are all main advantages of this watch thing. It will show your exercise settings, so how much your walking distance, or suppose if you want to keep alarm at particular distance means you can keep the alarm. And if you want to do exercise means it will remind you. So like this you can able to see the exercise settings. And this is the next I'll tell you how to charge this Huawei GT2 watch. So this is the charger they have given along with the watch. So this charger, by using this charger, a magnetic charger, you can able to charge the watch. So this is the cable. See, this is the USB port, and this is the cable they have given with the watch. So like this you have to connect this charger, and then by using this USB port you can able to connect with any charger or any. This is the Samsung charger I am using. So I can able to connect like this, and then so after connecting this, so like this you have to connect, and you can switch on the device. So you have to keep this watch into the above part of the magnetic charger, and then you can able to connect this plug, and then you can able to charge the watch. So like this you can able to charge the watch.